दवरपाक जाय ही काँग्रेस पक्षाची गोंयच्या सुटके उपरांतची स्पष्ट भूमिका आशिल्ली। आणि देखून जेन्ना स्वर्गेस्त प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी आमचे म्हणणे पटले तेन्ना तिणें लोकसभेत एक प्रस्ताव हाडून आमकां ह्या देशांतलो पयलो ओपिनियन पोल दिलो आनी आमकां मेकळीक दिली। आमकां आमचे स्वतंत्र अस्तित्व टिकून दवरपाचें आसा काय आमकां ह्या प्रदेशाचे महाराष्ट्रांत विलीनीकरण करपाचो आसा अशे दोन प्रस्ताव आमचे मुखार दवरले। आनी गोंयकारांनी 16 जानेवारी 1967 ह्या दिसा 34,000 मतांच्या मताधिकार गोंयचे महाराष्ट्रांत विलीन करपाचो प्रस्ताव भायर मारलो। गोंयच्या उदरगतींतले हे कांटे पयस जाले। ओपिनियन पोल जालो, कोंकणीक साहित्य अकादमीची मान्यताय मेळ्ळी, कोंकणीक संविधानाच्या 8व्या परिशिश्टांत जागो मेळ्ळो, कोंकणी गोंयची राजभास जाली आनी गोंयचे घटक राज्य जाले। सुटके उपरांतचे आमचे गोंयकारांचे जे हावेस आशिल्ले ते हावेस काँग्रेस पक्षान पुराय केले। हाचे सगळे क्रेडिट काँग्रेस पक्षाक वता। काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या त्या वेळार जे आमचे फुडारी आशिल्ले त्या फुडाऱ्यांक ताचे क्रेडिट वता। ह्या चळवळीत जाणी जाणी त्याग केलो, तांचो उगडास करप ही आमची सगळ्यांची लागणूक जावन आसा। आयज गोंयच्या अस्तित्वाचोय प्रश्न निर्माण जाल्लो आसा। आमी आज गोंयचे वेगळेपण कशें टिकून दवरप, गोंयचे वेगळे अस्तित्व कशें टिकून दवरप हाजेर आज आमी विचार करतात। आयज जर आमी एक नदर मारली जायत जाल्यार आज गोंयकार निराश जाल्ले भशेन दिसता। कारण कितें? कारण गोंयकारांक दिसता की गोंयचे वेगळेपण, गोंयचे गोंयकारपण खंय तरी शेणत वता आनी गोंयांतच गोंयकार हो खंय तरी कमी दिसता अशें चित्र आज सगळ्या गोंयांत आज निर्माण जाल्लें आसा। पण हांव निराश जायना। आज गोंयच्या सामाजीक मळार एक नदर मारली जायत जाल्यार आमकां जायते तरणाटे दिश्टी पडटात जे आमचे परस चड कर्तृत्ववान, आमचे परस चड जिद्दी आसात। म्हाका दिसता तरणाट्यांनी आयज ही नवी चळवळ गोंयचे अस्तित्व टिकोवपाची एक नवी चळवळ म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांनी आपल्या खांदार मारपाक जाय। आयच्या तरणाट्यां मदीं म्हाका स्वर्गेस्त चंद्रकांत केळी दिसता, आमचो उदय बाब भेंब्रो दिसता, शंकर भंडारी दिसता, मनोहर बाब सरदेसाय दिसता। ते तितलेच कर्तृत्वान आसात, तितलेच ते जिद्दीचे लोक आसात। ह्या तरणाट्यांनी म्हाका दिसता आज फुडली चळवळ जी आसा आमची अस्तित्वाची ती आपल्या खांदार मारपाक जाय आनी ह्या चळवळीचे फुडारपण करून गोंयचे वेगळेपण आमी टिकोवन दवरपाक जाय। हांव तुमचो चड वेळ घेना। हांव मागतां कोंकणी चळवळीचे एक म्हालगडे आनी कोंकणीचे नामनेचे लेखक बाब दिलीप बोरकर आनी थोडक्यात आयच्या दिसाचे महत्व सांगपी आपले विचार व्यक्त करतले। बाब दिलीप बोरकर।
आयचो दीस हो गोंयचे नदरेन खूब म्हत्वाचो दीस। शेख बाबान सांगलां तुमकां, पूण कांय गजाली तुवें लक्षात घेवपाक जाय। 55 वर्सां जालीं गोंय वेगळे उरचे म्हूण निर्णय घेतलो ओपिनियन पोलान। एक गजाल हांगा लक्षात घेवपाक जाय, काँग्रेस पक्ष आशिल्लो म्हणून हे गोंय आमचे वेगळे उरूंक पावले. ताचे कांय मुद्दे लक्षात घेयात. जेन्ना गोंय मेकळें जालें तेन्ना पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरून निर्णय घेतलो 10 वर्सां गोंयांक संघ प्रदेश दवरपाचो. नेहरूच्या मरणा उपरांत लाल बहादूर शास्त्री देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री जाले. त्या वेळाचेर तांकां वचून पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर मेळ्ळे आणि तांणी सांगले की गोंयांक संघ प्रदेश दिला पूण आता थंय असो वाद जाल्लो आसा. तेन्ना आमकां ओपिनियन पोल जाय, गोंय महाराष्ट्रान वचप काय ना हे थारावपाचो निर्णय. तेन्ना शास्त्रीनूय पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर सांगले की हो मुद्दो आमी चर्चेक घेवंक शकना, कित्याक तर ऑलरेडी नेहरून निर्णय घेतिल्लो आसा 10 वर्सां संघ प्रदेश उरतलो म्हणून. तेन्ना आमी निर्णय घेवंक शकना. अशा वेळाचेर पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर सका पाटील SK पाटीलाक वचून मेळ्ळे आणि तांणी सांगले की तुम्ही एक थाराव मांडात लोकसभेत आणि राज्यसभेत की गोंयाक ओपिनियन पोल दिवपाक जाय. आणि SK पाटीलान थाराव मांडलो आणि त्या वेळाचेर ताजेर चर्चा जावन हो निर्णय घेतलो. आणि इंदिरा गांधीन जे म्हणिल्ले, बरोबर न्ही दवरपाक, इंदिरा गांधीन जे म्हणिल्ले की आमी निर्णय बदलूंक शकनात नेहरूंचो, तो राज्यसभा आणि लोकसभेत बदलचो पडलो. म्हणटकच पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर हांचे नाव आमी काँग्रेस पक्षाची जेन्ना कार्यावळ चलयतात तेन्ना तांचे घेवप खूब गरजेचें आसा. कित्याक पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर आणि काँग्रेस पक्ष खूब बरे तरेन मुखार वयर हाडिल्लो हेवूय मतींत धरपाक जाय. आता दुसरो एक मुद्दो, हांव चड 5 मिनटां परस चड उलोवचो ना. दुसरो एक मुद्दो, गोंय मेकळें जालें ताचो फायदो कोणाक घेतलो जालो तर तुम्ही सगळे जे यंग जनरेशन आसा तांकां त्या काळा वयले महत्व खबर नासतलें. जेन्ना गोंय महाराष्ट्रान घालप काय ना हो जेन्ना मुद्दो आयलो तेन्ना गोंयान फूट पडली. हिंदू एक वाटेन जालो, क्रिस्तांव आणि थोडे विचार करपी हिंदू आशिल्ले ते एकठांय जाले आणि तांणी निर्णय घेतलो की ओपिनियन पोल जिखपाक जाय. आणि त्या वेळाचेर आज जशे पळय आमचे मदीं लोक आसात तसे त्या वेळार नाशिल्ले. तेन्ना ओपिनियन पोलाचे वाटेन जे लोक आशिल्ले ताचो अपमान जातालो, तांकां गोंड लेखताले. पूण आज जशे अमक्याक तिकेट दिली म्हणटकच सोडून दुसऱ्या पक्षान वतात तसो प्रकार तेन्ना केन्ना जालो ना. कोंकणी आणि गोंय हेच महत्वाचे, ते केन्नाच विलिनीकरणा वाटेन गेले ना. पूण आज आमी कितें घडटा, आज जाणी विरोध केलो ओपिनियन पोलाक, तांणी सत्ता भोगली. दिगंबर कामत मुख्यमंत्री असताना ताणे अस्मिताय दीस पाळचो 16 जानेर म्हणून निर्णय घेतलो आणि एक दीस ताणी तो मनयलो. पूण जे भाजप सरकार सत्तेर आयले जाचे एकान एक मनीस सत्ता भोगतात तांकां अस्मिताय दीस कितें ते खबर ना आणि ताणें केन्नाच निर्णय घेतलो ना. आणि त्याच बरोबर दुःख दिसता काँग्रेस पक्षान कांय लोक असे आशिल्ले, नाव घेता रवी नायका सारखे, जे ओपिनियन पोला वेळार झगडटाले. पूण आज ताणें काँग्रेस सोडून दुसऱ्या पक्षाक हे केले. पूण त्या वेळाचेर दुबाव मारता आता खरेंच रवी नायक ओपिनियन पोलार आसतलो काय कितें. पूण त्या वेळार जेन्ना शिवाजी जेन्ना महाराष्ट्रात राज्य घडयताले तेन्ना ते सुर्याजी पिसाळूय आशिल्ले. तेन्ना हे सुर्याजी पिसाळ सगळ्या काळांत आसता. म्हणटकच आमकां एक लक्षात घेवपाक जाय, गोंय 60वे मुक्ती दीस मनयता आणि फुडलो जो फुडार आसा गोंयचो तो ह्या इलेक्शनाक थारता. गोंय ओपिनियन पोल जिखले म्हणून आमी वगीर पावना. आता आमकां तुम्ही भुरग्यांनी, पत्रकार सगळ्यांनी ओपिनियन पोल नव्यान घडोवपाची गरज आसा. हे फावटी जर गोंय इलेक्शनान हारले म्हणजे काँग्रेस पक्ष हारले आणि सत्ता जर परत बीजेपी कडे गेली जाल्यार आमी हांगा आनी दीस काडूंक शकचे ना हे मतीन धरपाक जाय. फाटल्या 10 वर्सांची समृद्धीची वर्सां म्हणटात ती समृद्धीची न्हय तर कांय लोकांनी आपले पोट भरपा खातीर आनी गोंय विकपा खातीर राबयलो तो आसा हे मतीन घेवपाक जाय. म्हणटकच आज ह्या दिसा आमी एकूच सोबत घेवपाक जाय, आमी गोंय राखतले. तो ओपिनियन पोल वेगळो आशिल्लो. आता जो पळय आमी 14 फेब्रुवारीक जे मतदान करतले ते मतदान सारखे आसतले, जाका लागून गोंय घडटले आणि मुखावयली दिका आमी घडयतले. आयचे जनरेशन जे पळय आसा ते दिशाहीन जाला, तर ते जाग्यार हाडपा खातीर आमकां परत एकदा ओपिनियन पोल झगडचो पडटलो. त्या खातीर अमक्याक तिकेट दिली ना, अमक्याक केली ना म्हणून पक्ष फुटून दुसऱ्याक वचपाक जाय अशें ना. एक लक्षात धरपाक जाय, तुम्ही देशात दोनूच राष्ट्रीय पक्ष आसा, एक भारतीय जनता पक्ष आणि दुसरो काँग्रेस पक्ष. आणि तृणमूल आणि आप जे पळय आसा ते राष्ट्रीय पक्ष न्हय, ते गोंयांत आयल्यात जर आपल्याक मतदान घेवन राष्ट्रीय पक्षाची निर्मिती करपा खातीर थंय आमी कोणेच भतीक पडपाक पावना. हे दोन पक्ष आसात तांचे भितर झुजपाक जाय आनी खरें गोंय राखपा खातीर हांगा इलेक्शन जातलें ते तशें जातलें हें मतीन धरात. वेळेची मर्यादा आसा, हांव चड उलयना, पूण एकूच लक्षात घेयात, हे फावटी जर आमी वेंचणूक काँग्रेस पक्ष जर आमी राज करूंक शकले ना जाल्यार फुडलें गोंय पळय आसा तें गोंय आमच्या हातान उरपाचें ना. तेन्ना प्रत्येकान सोबत घेवया, पत्रकार आनी हांवूय पत्रकार, ज्येश्ठ पत्रकार, आमी सगळ्यांनी सोबत घेवपाक जाय. गोंय आमी राखपाचो वेळ आयला. परत ओपिनियन पोला खातीर जशें झूज जाल्लें तशें ह्या वेंचणुके घेवपाक जाय आनी आमी गोंय सांबाळपाक जाय. आनी तेन्नाच आमी फाटलो ओपिनियन पोल जिखल्यार तशें होवूय जिखतले आनी आमी आमचें गोंय घडयतले. इतलें आमी सांगतात आनी देव बरें करूं म्हणटात.
आता मागता आदले आमचे मंत्री मायकल लोबो हाणें आपले विचार व्यक्त करचे.
Today, actually, we need to celebrate this great day, very big day for Goa and Goans. Opinion poll day. आणि आयज आमी उगडास करपाक जाय हे ग्रेट लिडरांचो, पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर, आमचे जॅक सिक्वेरा. सकाळीं आमी आयज कलंगुटान तेंच्या स्टॅच्यूवाक हार घातलेलो, वर्साच्या वर्सा घालता. अस्मिताय दीस म्हणटा पळय ते कोमटीन वर्साच्या वर्सा जाता. सगळे माचयेर बशिल्ले मानिस्त, आदले मंत्री, एक्स सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर एडवार्ड बाफोलेर, आमचे एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर फ्रांसीस सार्जीन, AICCचो दिनेश गुंडूराव बाब, MK शेख, बाकीचे सगळे मानिस्त आयज ओपिनियन पोल जो आमी म्हणटा आनी आयज मुख्यमंत्री जो तर ती गाडी घेवन भोंवता आयज, तेजे फाटल्यान पुलीस 3-3, 4-4 जीपी, जाल्यार आयच्या दिसाचो म्हत्व ते BJP मानिना आनी हेच्या खातीर भरपूर वादावाद जाल्ली, असेंब्लीनूय जाल्ली. एंड वी स्पोक इन द फेवर ऑफ ओपिनियन पोल. आय बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ द BJP then, that we should declare this day as a very important day for the state of Goa. We should declare this day that this day we got independence. आमकां गोंयकारांक इंडिपेंडन्स मेळ्ळें, आमच्या गोंयकारांक लिबरेशन मेळ्ळें. Though we got the liberation earlier, but real liberation of Goa was from this day, 1966. आनी म्हाका दिसता आनी हांव उतर दिता, आमचे सगळे नेते हिंगा आहा, ऑल द लिडर्स आर हियर, that Congress party will honor this day. आमी ह्या दिसाक महत्व करून दितले, आमी सेलिब्रेशन करतले जे भाशेन आमी लिबरेशन डे सेलिब्रेशन करता, जे भाशेन आमी इंडिपेंडन्स डे सेलिब्रेशन करता, जे भाशेन आमी रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेशन करता, त्या सेम इन द सेम ऑनर we will celebrate the opinion poll day of Goa. And I am very much confident that all the leaders will agree what I am saying. Because this is the day we have got freedom. This is the day आमकां सगळे जाण वळखता, नाजाल्यार एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट आसपाचें आमी. We would have been a district of Maharashtra. कोणूच वळखचोच नासलो, कोणूच वळखचो नासलो. आनी आयज जो आमचो कल्चर आहा, जे गोंयान इतले फॉरेन ट्युरिस्ट येता, आमकां तेकोन महाराष्ट्रा, आमकां तेकोन सावंतवाडी आहा, ऑल दोज बीचीस, ब्युटिफूल बीचीस आर देयर. आमी वयता थिंगा केन्नाय, पूण थिंगासोर कशें कितें आहा तो कल्चर पळया, थिंगा कितले रेस्ट्रिक्शन्स आहा ते पळया, सगळे भाशेचे रेस्ट्रिक्शन दिसतले. सेम गोवा तशें आसपाचें. जे आयज आमी गोंयकार वयर सरल्या, जे आयज आमी गोंयकार म्हणटा आमी we are free to do whatever we want in the beautiful state of Goa, we are enjoying the freedom, is because of this great day. And I am of the opinion that we should honor this day and give it importance. And I am confident that our party is coming to power, sir. What you just said, our party is coming to power, and we will honor this day, the day we form the government. Thank you.
आता मागता आदले मुखेलमंत्री आणि खासदार आशीष साथ दिन आणि आपले विचार व्यक्त करचे.
गोयचे इन्चार्ज बाब दिनेश, तेच बरोबर आमचो आदलो मंत्री बाब रिदवान, आदलो मंत्री बाब मायकल शेख, आमची महिला प्रेसिडेंट, सगळे दुसरे मनीस, आमचे जर्नलिस्ट हिंगा जमिल्ल्या भावांनी भयणी. म्हाका उगड आसा 1967 जेन्ना ओपिनियन पोल डिक्लेअर जालो तेन्ना हांव सिनियर BSc करतालो. आमी दीस रात काम करून तेन्ना मोटरसायकल ते भशेन ना, आमी सायकलो आख्या सावथाक शास्त्रीक आमी सायकलीन भोंवताले. कित्याक आमी जाणो आहले हाजो महत्व. गोंयांत तरी विलीन जाल्ले महाराष्ट्रांत तेन्ना गोंय एक डिस्ट्रिक्टाच्या ल्हान आसपाचो, मॅक्सिमम 1 डिस्ट्रिक्ट. फुडें 2 MLA जावन आमचे गोंयचे राजकारण करपाचें. म्हज्या सारक्याक इतले फावट MLA जावपाक, मिनिस्टर जावपाक, चीफ मिनिस्टर जावपाक ही संदी मेळ्ळी फकत आमी भुरगे आसतना झगडले. आनी म्हज्या बरोबर बाब बोरकारान सांगले भशेन आमचे कुडतरे तेन्ना थोडे हिंदू आसतले तेय आमचे बरोबर आशिल्ले. म्हाका उगडास आसा जेन्ना बाब सिकेर कुडतरी आयलो तो व्हडलो लिडर महोत्सव, आनी बाब सालमारकर हो आमचो सिकेर जो आसा तो नॉर्थीचो पणजेचो, पूण सालमारकर सोंपलोलो तो आमचे कुडतोरे हो सावथाक मोडगांव इन्चार्ज जो आशिल्लो तेन्ना MLA तो. आनी हांव आनी दुसरे म्हजे बराबरचे दीस रात आमी भोंवताले की आमकां गोंय साल्वार केल्लें जाय आशिल्लें. आमी तेन्ना 20 वर्सांचे 21 जावंक ना आनी तेन्ना वोटीक 21 वर्सां जाय आसलीं. तर आसतना आमी कोण भावाच्या नांवान आनी कोणाच्या नांवान आमी वोटींग दिवन गोंय आमचें साल्वार केलें. जेन्ना ओपिनियन पोलाचें वोटींग सुरू जालें नॉर्थीक विलीन करपाक सुबेज वच पडपाक लागले. आमी सगळे भिवन मागीर जेन्ना सावथ सुरू जालें तेन्ना एक कडेन वच सुबेज पडीत रावले. कुडतोरी, बेनावली ह्या सगळ्या प्रांतांनी हे आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी आनी सांगते भशेन 32 वर्सांक गोंय आमी जिखून आयले. तेन्ना सांगते भशेन बाब पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर म्हाका दिसता तो MP आशिल्लो दिसता म्हाका, पूण
PCC president.
PCC प्रेसिडेंट नॉट MP मागीर जालो. पूण जॅक सिकेर मागीर आमचो सालमारकर आनी आमी सगळे यूथ बराबर रावन आमी आयज जें गोंय आमकां गोंय म्हणून नांव जें आयकूंक मेळटा आनी दिगूंक मेळटा तें आमकां सगळ्यांक लागून जे वोटर जातले कार्यकर्ते सगळ्यांनी आमी गोंय सांबाळ्ळें. आनी जेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्ष हिंगा राजकारण करतालो तेन्ना 80s आमी ओपिनियन पोलाक भरपूर मान दिताले. सदांच आमी हो दीस मनयताले. जेन्ना BJP आयले 10 वर्सां तांणी हे दिसाक न्हिदायल्लो आसा. तेन्ना गोंयचे पोरचे गुलाम आत्ता हो काळ परतो आयलोलो आसा. ओपिनियन पोल परतो येवचो ना, पूण तुमचें ओपिनियन जाय हें गोंय सांबाळपाक. जी हो सरकार जो आसा तो फकत आश्वासनां दिवपाचो, कांय काम करून दाखोवप ना. आनी तुमी पळयल्ले आसात ह्या दिसांनी जेन्ना इलेक्शन ऑन द थ्रेशोल्ड स्टील दे केम आउट विथ thousands ऑफ जॉब्स. खूंय न्हिदलेले आशिल्ले फकत पयशे करपाक आनी लोकांक फटोवपाक. आनी आतां कोड लागून तें बंद जाल्लें आसा. तेन्ना हांव लोकांक उलोवंक मागता परतो फ्रिडम करपाक आमकां सोयीक मेळपाना. आमी ल्हान आसतना आमकां फ्रिडम फायटर्स म्हणून सोयीक मेळूंक ना. पूण जेन्ना ओपिनियन पोल आयले तेन्ना आमी भुरगे तेन्ना आमी दीस रात काम केल्लें आसा. तेन्ना हांव आयज जनते गोंयची जनते गुलाम आतां होच काळ आतां परतो पावल्लो आसा. हो बीजेपी सरकाराक आमी कोणशाक उडोवपाक जाय आनी गोंयची संस्कृती, गोंयचे लोकांचो विकास, गोंयची युनिटी, एकूच पक्ष आसा जो देशांत तेच भाशेन गोंयांत, जो हिंदू क्रिस्तांव मुसलमानांक बाळगून वचपाक शक्य आहा. तो आयज पर्यंत तुमी जायत्या वर्सां हे सरकाराक मत दिवन तुमी वयर काडलेलो. तो तुमचो आयज काळ पावल्लो आसा. तुमचो कर्तव्य जावन आसा परतो काँग्रेसाक हाडपाक आनी तुमी करतले. आयज व्हडल्या दिसाक आमी एक हें अशें घेया, वोट वाव असो करया की आमी परते काँग्रेसाक घातल्यात आनी गोंयचें राजकारण बरें करून दितल्यात. हें म्हणून हांव म्हजी दोन उतरां सोंपयतां. देव बरें.
आता हांव मागता आदले केंद्रीय मंत्री बाब एडवर्ड पालेर हाणें आपले अनुभव कथन करचे.
तुम्ही म्हणजे हो तुमचो आमचो भाव गोंयकार म्हणजे पळय हांव इंग्लिशीन नाशिल्लो वयतलो ताकाय बी समजोवपाक. हे पळय कितें म्हणटालो दिनेश बाब गुंडूरावजी, फ्रांसीस बाब सार्दी, आमचो ऑस्कर लोब बाब, शेख हसन न्हय शेख साहब, बिना नायकजी, दिलीप बाब बोरकार, आमचे प्रेसिडेंट नॉर्थ एंड साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इश्टांदो भावंदो भयणांदो. तर इंग्लिशीन उलयता आमचें स्वातंत्र्य पळय जालें. लिबरेशन वॉर in December 1961. In December 1961, Goa was liberated from the colonial rule, which has destroyed this territory, its culture, created problems in the society. So that we could redeem all that situation, we had the liberation. And Pandit Nehru said at that time that we will not decide what Goa and the people want to do. We leave it to them to decide. So therefore there's no question of what Tetnamdalava asilo, whether Goa should merge into Maharashtra. आमचे फुडें खूब आशिल्ले भाऊसाहेब बी आशिल्ले तेन्ना. भाऊसाहेबा मनान पळय म्हणटा तशें he was not very much keen on merger. But so that was the move, so he said that went away. So but there was Maharashtra Gomantak Party आणि मागीर काँग्रेस पार्टी
युनायटेड गोवा
सांगता युनायटेड काँग्रेसाक पयलो दवरता मागीर घालता युनायटेड गोवा. पळय काँग्रेसाक कांय शिकूंक ना पूण आमचे ते काँग्रेस आमचो काणकोणांतलो ते प्रमाणे पयलो आनी युनायटेड गोवन्स बी आशिल्ले. युनायटेड गोवा मेजॉरिटी मेळ्ळी MGP, majority got the Maharashtra Gomantak Party. United Goans came second. Congress didn't get anything, and so therefore it went on from 61 until 67. Yeah, you see, then this question of opinion poll arose. For some saying that we should go into Maharashtra because the language is same. At least it is the same language, and Konkani is a dialect of Marathi or a Boli spoken language. Then also saying that if you come into Maharashtra, you will develop much more and it will be much better. Because really at the time of liberation, Goa condition was pitiable. I don't know if I mentioned this. You see, now you see roads, you see so many things, and particularly this division, separation between the upper classes and the rest of humanity. The rest. There is no possibility for them of education, of anything, of good jobs or nothing. Apart from that infrastructure, there was no electricity, there is no water supply, no nothing. I remember when I came, at that time I was studying in Portugal. And after liberation, I came immediately. And when I came, there was no electricity here. Within a short period of time, days maybe, a month maybe, then electricity appeared. So like these things that could have been done, were not done. And therefore, our independence, we can say, and our joining our country. Our country, India is our country, has always been our country. You see, so that was the most significant part of things. That was in 1961. Then an opinion poll came. With some saying we should go into Maharashtra, others saying no, we should be there. In 1967, opinion poll came on this day, that is 16th of January, which we call Asmitai Dis, day of our identity, that we remained, opinion poll decided, Congress and the United Goans worked together for the opinion poll, and the opinion poll was decided should be separate. Goa should remain separate, should not merge into Maharashtra. So went on in 67, move started now. Then in 67, there was an assembly. Union Territory, there was an assembly. But it was for Goa, Daman and Diu. Our chief minister was, Bhausaheb Bandholkar was a Goan. Narayan Bab Fugrao was the speaker from Diu. And like that, there was one MLA from Daman also. So it was there. I became also an MLA in 1972. And then Babu Naik was our leader. He raised a motion for statehood. Imagine, it was passed unanimously. At that time, I doubt whether Bhausaheb was alive. I don't know, but Sachikalaji was there. So, was passed unanimously. So, there was MLAs no more for the MGP themselves, though they would not openly say that we were against merger. They were not much supportive of that. So, this was in 1972 or so, 72. Thereafter, soon thereafter, Mr. Pankar, MLA Ashilto, of the Maharashtra Gomantak party, raised a motion again for statehood. It was again passed unanimously. Chief Minister was Sachikalaji Kakodkar. In her reply, she said, yes, initially we thought that Goa should merge into Maharashtra. She was of Maharashtra Gomantak leader. Because of our culture, because we would develop better. But thinking over it, we feel that statehood is better. And therefore, Purushottam Bab Kakodkar raised the matter in Parliament. He put a motion in Parliament. It was not discussed. And he did a great work. Purushottam Bab Kakodkar was a great leader. And therefore, some years ago, I asked the Human Resource Development Government of India to have a chair or every year a seminar in Goa University in Purushottam Kakodkar Memorial Lecture. It was done for some years. Now this government came and it's all stopped. Should come again. It's not because of Purushottam Kakodkar. It's because of how we should go about and remember our freedom fighters. We are sitting here talking. They were fighting, going to jail and dying. And therefore, some years ago, in memory of them, I obtained a portrait of Dr. Tristam Braganza Lacuna, who was known as the father of the Goan nationalism, and took it to Parliament. Spoke to the Speaker of Lok Sabha, though I was not a member of Parliament at that time. Then Prime Minister spoke to all of them. And all of them, Speaker Lok Sabha, Prime Minister, Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, the Home Minister Ambani, Advani ji, all of them were present, MPs, and our Sardin Bab also, other two MPs from Goa, Sripat Naik and Shantaram Naik Bab, they were all present there. And now, the photo of Dr. Tristam Braganza Lacuna is in Central Hall of Parliament, along with the great national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and all those leaders. So that was there. But then what happened now as far as statehood is concerned? I raised the matter in Parliament. We had a debate in Parliament. And at the end of that, Rajiv Gandhi, who was then General Secretary of AICC, Pradhan Mantri was Indira Gandhi. He came and told me personally, privately, this will be done. We will get statehood. So Srimati Indira Gandhi was assassinated. Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister. When he became Prime Minister, he made me Minister of State. I went to him and said, sir, you had said there in Parliament to me that we would get statehood. Now, will you please tell this to Parliament now as Prime Minister? He said, somebody has to raise this issue in Parliament for me to reply, or for the government to reply. I could not raise the issue because I was a minister. So I asked Shantaram Naik. Shantaram agreed. I took him straight to Rajiv Gandhi's room, told Rajiv ji, Shantaram will raise this issue. Shantaram raised that issue, and Mukesh Panigrahi, he was Minister of State for Home Affairs. He replied that statehood will be granted. And we got the statehood, if I am not mistaken, in 1987.
Yes.
In 1987. This is a very important date for us. If we were to go in Maharashtra, we would have been a district, small district of Maharashtra. Districts of Maharashtra are bigger in population, most of them, or many of them, than Goa. We would have been a small district of Maharashtra with a collector governing. Nothing to do with us, nothing to do with our government. There would be no government from Goa. So now this great progress has been made. First with liberation, that liberated us from colonial rule and all its evils. Then statehood, of which great progress was made. Great progress was not made, I must say respectfully. With due respect, I had great affection for Bhausaheb Bandorkar, and we were good friends. Bhausaheb Bandorkar, Usgamkar ji, even Pratap Singh Rani, we were all good friends. But even then I can say, during Marxist Gomantak Party, because in the beginning also maybe, much progress was not made. It was made, the tremendous progress that has been made was during the Congress rule. And therefore at this stage of the year, I must say this, please appreciate. First thing is to keep all of us together. We are all co-citizens, part of same country, same state, same country. And therefore, the divisive forces, however justification they may give, there can be some justification also for everything. You can't blame people just like that. You see, but whatever justification will destroy it, will destroy us. And therefore, we must all remain together, work unitedly, and as brothers and sisters also, and proceed ahead. Therefore, Maut Purayada Disajay, Maut Kongresak, Maut Atak. Dev Bari Guru Namaskar, Dhanyavad.
And now I request our AICC in charge, Sri Dinesh ji, to express his views.
Today is a very historic day, and all of our leaders have spoken. Sri Edward Valerio ji and Sri Sadina ji, Sri Michael Lobo, Mr. Sheikh, and also we have our senior leaders, Mahila President Srimati Beena Naik ji, or Altin Gomes, Vijay BK, Joe Dias, all dear press journalists, and also Sri Dilip Borkar ji spoke about today's significance of today. I don't think it has to be reiterated by me, because it is a matter of great pride for the people of Goa that this day they managed to hold on to their culture, identity, and their uniqueness. Any merger with a bigger state would have swallowed this state up, and Goa had its own unique flavor. And due to its history of occupation and history of being under another rule, and also the language of the Goan people has also got its own unique history. So I think that would have got subsumed into a bigger state, and that would have been lost. So Congress Party, if you remember, has always stood for each one's uniqueness and respected each one's unique identity. Even when it comes to the matter of Pondicherry, still a very small state. There was a demand by Tamil Nadu to take in Pondicherry into Tamil Nadu. But the Congress has always stood for that everyone's uniqueness should be respected and maintained. And even till today, Pondicherry is a separate state by itself. Similarly, Goa. I think in the history of India's history regarding these referendums and opinion polls, I think Goa's is a very unique one, because the rest of the states, whenever the opinion poll was done, was either to be with India or to exit out of India. But Goa's is the only state, I think, which was a different reason the referendum was done. Whether it was for Junagadh, which retained itself to be in India, whether it was Pondicherry, which did a referendum, opinion poll, to become part of India. So, and then I think even Northwest Frontier Pakistan also did a referendum, but they wanted to be with Pakistan. So that was a different reason, but I think Goa's opinion poll is very different from all, where it wanted to maintain, though it is liberated, but it wanted to maintain its own identity, and I think that is something that we should all respect. There were people who opposed it, there were people who proposed it. But ultimately, after the opinion poll was finished, everybody came back together. There was no further division. So that was another very unique thing. The MGP opposed the referendum, opinion poll, but they got re-elected in the election. That shows people didn't hate each other. I think that is something which normally people would have expected, that those who were for statehood and those who were against statehood, against merger or for merger, would have clashed further also. But I think something is there within Goa's people's character, that they do things but then they forget about things and move ahead. And Goa has moved ahead, and today Goa is the richest state in India in terms of per capita. So that is an achievement. That is because it has maintained its growth, it's maintained its economy, and it's maintained its uniqueness. So remembering all that, let us always honor this, and like what Michael ji said, I think it's important that we remember this day in a bigger way. We remember this day in the sense that Congress or any political party, everybody should remember this in a bigger way and recognize this day as a turning point in the history of Goa. And I'm sure in the days to come, even after our government is formed, the Congress government is formed, we should, use this day to reinforce this uniqueness and to highlight this uniqueness not only for Goa but across India.
Celebrate this.
Yeah, celebrate. Yeah, we can celebrate this day as a great momentous day. So I want to thank everyone for coming and participating in this program. Thank you very much.
Now I request our South Goa District President, Sri Joe Dias, to propose a vote of thanks.
On behalf of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, I would like to thank. Before thanking, I want to tell one thing. I know for the last 35 years, only the party which celebrate opinion poll in each and every constituency is only Congress party. When our newly joined MLA has said that we will celebrate in bigger way, means Congress will always celebrate opinion poll in a bigger way from next year onwards. On behalf of Congress party, I would like to thank our senior observer, Sri Dinesh Ji, for coming for the function, like our MP, Francis Sardina, our ex-minister, central minister, Edward Falero, our newly joined MLA, Michael Lobo, our Mahila President, Sheikh Altin, my colleague, North Goa District President, Mahila, All India Secretary by Simaji, and all members of Congress Party, also the print media and electronic media. I thank you all for coming and covering this function. Thank you very much.
Dilip Babu.
They also broadcast.
And Dilip Jha,
Broadcast.
he was a key
He's the
speaker.
representative of the Mahilas.
No problem, no problem.